What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Michigan Muscle. Today I've got my dad's C8 behind me, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a launch control tutorial the proper way in the new 2020 C8 Corvette. And I'm going to be bringing my buddy Marin along, who's back there, who's never been in the C8 yet. Hopefully get a couple little reactions out of him and let you guys go for a ride along as well. Let's get the startup. It's a lot nicer than the C7 with the, this is automatic, so you can actually remote start it, which is kind of cool. Come on. There she goes. Let's jump in. So the interior my dad opted for is pretty sick. It's got Alcantara everywhere, as you guys can see. It's like everything's covered. The comp racing, it's hard to see. The comp racing seats, it's pretty sweet. But the purpose of the video isn't to show off the car, it's to show off the launch control. So let's go ahead and do that. Guys, this car is so much more smooth than my C7. The dual clutch transmission it's insane. Actually, let me see. I'll put her in track mode. The dual clutch transmission is so fast. Looks like it's gonna start raining. It's instantaneous. I don't know, where's a good spot to go? You don't have from around here.
You can go to Chicago if you want.
Yeah, I'll go to Chirac real quick. Yeah, there's a lot of cars out. We're gonna go down to Mexico, a little south of the border. Our boy Pablo's gonna drive, so.
How far is that drive, Mike, to Mexico?
We're gonna fast forward the video. Pablo's a pretty good driver.
Pablo's really good, man.
Dude, isn't that fast?
Holy shit.
For a car that's only 495 horsepower. Oh, check this out too. Watch this. You pull both paddles back. Isn't that sick? It's like so it's neutral.
Sweet, dude. My God. What the hell am I sitting in, dude?
What do you mean? The seat?
No.
Oh, the car.
I think it's a good angle for when you fucking hit it. How fast is it off the launch?
Really fast.
Rip.
All right, guys. First time taking my buddy Marin for a rip. I don't think it's gonna hook very well because there's dirt on the road that I'm in right now. So yeah, we'll do ESC off. Screw it.
We don't need that where we're going, though.
Okay, so first step, guys, car in track mode. First and foremost, spin your mode knob to track. Push StabiliTrak twice to turn off the traction control. Left foot all the way on the brake. Right foot floor. Let go. So, like I said,
Jesus.
It's a little cold out right now. So we got a 3.1 0 to 60 with the car. Still really fast. But it can do a 2.7. I've done a 2.7 in it before. It's not optimal road conditions right now. So the thing launches really, really hard for a stock car. It's pretty crazy. What'd you think, Marin?
Yeah, that was pretty great. Not gonna lie.
All right, guys, I'm gonna do a little walk around. I'll show you the car first before we do another launch. So it's a 2020 C8. This is the Z51 package. This awesome mid-engine. It's a beast. So the Z51 doesn't come with much else other than the upgraded front brakes you guys see. It's a better suspension. That's really about the extent of it on the Z51 car. But they will all launch the same way that you just saw. They all haul ass. These things are really fast. For a stock car out of the box, this is hands down one of the best track cars money could buy, especially if you're buying the cheap one for $57. So again, this one's optioned out a little bit more. It has the carbon fiber roof, as you can see. Here's the comp seats. And again, there's Alcantara everywhere, which looks really, really nice. Even down by the kick panels, the red seat belts really set it off. Alcantara steering wheel. It really is an awesome, awesome combination on this car. Dual mode exhaust. And again, this is a bone stock C8. There's not really much you can do to them right now, but they're awesome. Oh, and the high wing, of course, too. Here, I'll get a shot with the back down. So in the high wing, of course, too, which is pretty unique. All right, I'm gonna get a start up for you guys in a few revs. Have Marin help me out a little bit with the recording.
Needs an exhaust.
It does need an exhaust. Sounds pretty good for stock, but she could definitely use an exhaust at some point, or maybe even like a set of twin turb skis. Let's go ahead, see if we can bump down that 0 to 60 time from 3.1 to 2.7, how it's advertised. So again, guys, I'm gonna try to show you here. Go to your mode selector, twist this until the car is in track mode. As you'll see, whoops, this is not track mode. Oh yeah, that's track mode. This one takes a minute, hang on. Now we're in track mode. You can see it indicated at the bottom there. Push this button twice and you'll see performance traction will pop up on the screen. Go back to your mode selector, twist the knob. I like to have it in Sport 1 with ESC on. You can put it in Sport 2 with it off, or even race. Sport 1's probably the best. It's really what your comfort level is, but then you are ready to go. So this will clear. You can set it on your screen to the 0 to 60 timing. So you push down on this to dismiss it and reset it, and you're good to go again. Again, it's cold out right now. It says 71, but as you guys can see, it's overcast. The tires are cold. We're gonna do our best to hook, hopefully pretty well. I don't know how well it's gonna work again, but we'll try it. Hopefully we can break threes, and
We're gonna let her eat.
we're gonna let her eat. Hopefully, if you guys saw my last video, hopefully we don't have any angry Karens come after us, chasing us down. I don't know if you saw my last one with the Mustang, but I had an angry neighbor come after me that wasn't too happy for all of the bald eagles screaming in the neighborhood. So we're back in Mexico, so hopefully, not many, I don't know how to say neighbor in Spanish. No madres.
Amigos.
No, that's friends. We don't have any amigos. Whatever. Let's give it a shot. We'll give her a rip. All right, going back across the border. They've really simplified crossing the border recently. They don't take much time to check your passport, any of that jazz, so it's kind of nice. You can bounce back and forth for Mexico runs as you please, which is pretty, it's a good feeling. Woo!
I love Mexico, man.
So do I. God, this car is so fast for stock. The scariest thing is, I think it's because the engine's in the back. It hooks so well. It puts all the power down. It's only got 305s on the back as far as tires go, but it hooks so well because of all the weight on that back axle. It's just unparalleled, even comparing it to my Z06. My car will never hook this good because there's so much weight over that rear axle. It's amazing. So we're gonna try it again. Hopefully we can do it, but we'll see. See what happens. Again, because it's cold out, guys.
Some bad weather here in Mexico, bud.
Yeah, Mexico's a little cold right now.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah, it's cold in Mexico right now. Oh, it's actually starting to rain. We got to get back.
We gotta hurry up and get out of Mexico, man.
So again, guys, I never changed the mode. I'm still in PTM performance mode, Sport 1, track mode. I'm gonna put my left foot all the way down on the brake, mash the gas, and when it revs up, I'm gonna let my foot off of the brake, and I'm gonna hold my foot. Ready? Here we go, guys. Oh, it didn't time it. Whoops. It never hit time.
You didn't? Oof.
Yeah. Man, so it's too cold out right now, guys. Like I said, the weather's not great. Still getting a hair over 3, but on a hot day when the car hooks, it will absolutely do a 2.7 second 0 to 60. That's very common, and it's repetitive too. It's not like it's gonna be hit or miss. You know, it's very repetitive. That's the nice thing about the dual clutch transmissions in these, the DCTs. They're very, very repeatable, and you don't have to worry about shifting on the right time, launching it the right way. This car will launch correctly 100% of the time, every single time, and that's what makes the launch control in this car so great. All right, guys, and that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that launch control tutorial and enjoyed the C8 even more. There's gonna be hopefully more content coming. I don't know about before the season ends, just with COVID and snow and the weather, and cold tires and fast cars don't mix well, especially, you guys know how that goes. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment down below what you think this Vette could do for a 0 to 60 time on a hot day where it actually hooks. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.